Alright, welcome to part 2 of FNaF Engine tutorial reboot. And in today's video, we are going over the basics of sounds and animations. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so first you want to open up FNaF Engine, of course, and get your textures out. Then you want to go to wherever you have your textures, and then we'll do the camera animation. You want to find your camera's files. It's picture files, I guess you say. And then you would copy, Control C. You can make a new folder and call it. I'm gonna call it camera. There. Now you have that. And then you can just paste them all in, and then you can right-click outside of them, click on View, and then large icons so you can see which is which. And then start naming them 1, then 2, and by which is bigger, and then eventually, and then you can just leave it like this, or you can just, so I think it might bug out if you just leave it like that, so you might want to have it all perfectly in a row. So just have it all set out. Oh, I did not want to open that. Okay. This is 9. This is 10. Bam. Alright. And then you want to do the same thing with your mask if you have one. I will. So you want to get the textures for your mask. Bam, bam, bam. Alright. That's the textures, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Alright, do the same thing. Copy them. Make a new folder. Then do mask or whatever you named it. Bam. Alright. Then do view large icon. Alright, and then we just do 1, 2, 3. No, that's not 3. That's 3. Uh, do that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bam. Alright, now they're all numbered. So to put them into FNaF Engine, you want to go to the Animations tab, and then click this plus, and then name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna go 1. Bam. Generate from folder. Go to where you have it stored. Want to go. Bam. Pictures. Camera. Alright. Then you can see it's all. There. Alright, and if it does bug out, where it like doesn't show, or it like puts the one of the textures into a different area, you can just go back and then what? You can just go back into it. and then add that texture separately. Bam. So then you can go to Office, camera up, down, there. Then you can go to Sound, and then this is how you set it up. This is how you set up the sound. So we're gonna move this. I'm gonna move this to my second monitor. All right. You're gonna open up this. We'll go to sounds and FNaF 1 audio is where I'll go. And then you're gonna find, but wherever you're gonna go is you're gonna find your audio, or camera up and camera down. So I have to remember which one it is. Alright. I'll be back. Alright, so I finally found it. I don't know how long you guys I don't know how long I've been waiting and trying to find this. I don't know what the time difference was. I've been here for like 10 minutes, I think, trying to find it, and it was right here the whole time. So it's in FNaF 1, it's called Put Down. I was just finally finding it. Camera up, import, sound, put down for both of them. What to use. Alright, and then the masks, sounds, and for FNaF 2, and it's fencing. He called it fencing in the files, or that's what they were called in the files. Bam. Alright. Jeez. That took forever. Bam. And then deep breaths. Alright. And then so here. And then we can just import ambience from FNaF 1 or whatever you made. But because the FNaF 2 ambience is like, it's some, isn't this one for FNaF 2? It wasn't, it was weird or whatever. It was weird. Flashlight, oh yeah, blip is right here. Flashlight is, bam, buzzlight there. And now we have all the basic stuff put down. So we can go back to animations and then add a new one, and then just call it mask. Alright. Okay. So now we take this animation, mask, and do the same thing we did. The other one. We do the same thing that we did with the other one. Generate from folder. Sorted. Math. Game texture. Mask. 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. So we go back here, office, mask, bam. Enable mask. And look at, you can move this around. But I'll keep it. Actually, no, I'll do this. I'll put them up. So we can test out our game. Okay, that's an issue. I don't know. Alright, the cameras. There. Uh, yeah. That's not an issue. Okay. So we can go over basic menu things. So here, just to get this out of the way, so you can do, so add two images that you want. So I'm gonna add, so from FNaF 2, I'm pretty sure is where they were, or what I've been using, but you, if you want something to know that the user's completed the game other than like custom night and the sixth night, you can add, where is it? Hmm, there it is. You can add the star. You can add 2 stars. So you might be wondering, how do these stars work? So here, you can add it where you go add event, alright, and then you go menu control on menu start, add action, element manipulation. No. So it's gonna be compare general values if oh yeah, well first we have to save and then make these both hidden, then give them star 2 or whatever you want to name them. Star 2. Bam. So now we have star 2 and star 1. Now you want to go back here, scroll back down, and then you want to do percent. There's that 5. Data, and then in uh the circle not brackets, but not parentheses. Of the circle things, headers. You want to type in beat, and then 5, then close it with the other one, then click enter. Or you want to do equals or greater than, or it's less is or equal to. Hold up, you want to just do equal. That's what I usually do. And then you want to type 1. Then you want to do element manipulation, show element ID, star 1, save. So let's try it. Okay, they're both not there. So let's exit, extension, data editor, then night 5 completed. There. So now you have that star. So it's pretty self-explanatory on to how to add the other star, but I'll just do it anyways. You want to do on menu start. Special controls, compare general value. Percent data, then bam, beat 6, bam, is equal, and then 1, show, then show element, star 2. So now we can try it out. So we save, we can have bam, so none. We do data editor, night 5 complete. Alright, and then night 6 complete. There, so now you have your 2 stars to have the players see that they've completed the game, or the special nights. And that's pretty much it. Um, if you would like to see a part 3, which will still come. Sorry, this took 2 months to get out. I've been busy with school and stuff. Um, we're also closing in on 200 subscribers, so yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing for that. And Christmas is coming up in 2 days, so I hope you guys all have an amazing Christmas. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are or were on this. But just a few things I want to go over are that I'm not going to be posting a download link, so please stop asking in the comments. I know that there's videos around, but if you don't ask me if you're gonna do anything or want it. Go to those videos because I'm not going to have any part of posting another link for a download. And another thing, what was it? Well, I don't know. That's pretty much it. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure that you were not able to add another night to this game. Like, it's just, like, you're gonna do the custom nights, but that's it. It goes up to 6 night and custom night. So, if this did help you in any way, I hope that you enjoyed. And I'll see you all in the next video. And be tuned in to other things I've been working on. But yeah, let's try to get to 100 subs. Um, let's try to get to 100 subs at least. I don't know. Yeah. Bye.